Hi all, welcome to third grade. My name is Mrs. Tucker and I'm going to be the remote teacher this year. A little bit about me is this is my 4th year of teaching at Central and I have taught all of my years in third grade. I actually even student taught at Central Elementary School in third grade. I got my bachelor's degree at Emporia State in elementary education, and I recently received my ELL endorsement. So some things about my personal life is that I've been married to my husband for over 3 years. We were high school sweethearts, which just means that we met in high school. We have a cute little boy named Ty, and he's almost 2 years old. We have 4 dogs, which yes, that's a lot of dogs. One is named Zeus, one is named Mickey, one is named Athena, and one is named Moose. I love to read and work out. These are some of my Zoom expectations. So these are what I'm going to expect my remote learners to do whenever they are on the iPad or on Zoom. So most importantly is be on time, because we have a lot to learn in a little bit of time. Be in a quiet place. Be prepared. Make sure your iPad is charged, the camera is on, and have a paper and pencil. Make sure that I can see your face and you wear appropriate clothing. Make sure that you wear stuff that you would wear to school. Mute yourself whenever I'm talking or whenever a classmate is talking, just to be respectful. Participate in the class discussions, be focused, be attentive, and be an active participant. Chat responsibly, so raise your hand whenever you have a question or if you want to speak, or type your question into the text chat box. Make sure when you're speaking that you speak clearly and you look up into the camera when you're speaking so that we can hear you. So here is my schedule. So Monday through Friday is almost the same. There's a little change in Monday. You'll see that on Monday from 1 to 1:30, you'll actually have a break on that day, just because I have a meeting with some of the people that I work with. So you'll start off your days with specials. Then you'll move into morning meeting and whole group math. Now you see that that is in red. If something's in red, it just means that we're going to be live on Zoom. So that's when you have to log into Zoom. Now, the purple small groups, that will be our small groups math and reading. Those will be the times that you may be working on Zoom with me in a small group, or you may be working by yourself doing different rotations during that time. And then at the end of the day, we will have an hour of office time, and you will also be working on social studies or science by yourself. This schedule will be put up so that you can see it. So if you didn't catch all of that, don't worry. It'll be somewhere where you can find it. Social emotional learning is very important to me. We're going to be working on things like how to solve problems, how to take another person's perspective, and how to manage your emotions, because sometimes that can be hard, especially in the world that we're living in today. My expectations of content area, we will be learning math, reading, social studies, science, writing, and spelling. The students will receive instruction on all of these subjects and will also be given opportunities to work in small groups or individually. Now for math, we will be learning things like multiplication, division, fractions. We're going to be learning about some types of measurement. And social studies, we'll be learning about communities, geography, and different things in that area. Science, we will be learning things like weather, and we'll be learning about adaptations and heredity In writing, we'll be learning how to be better writers in different ways. We're going to be writing narrations. We're going to be writing descriptive writing. And spelling, we'll be having different third grade spelling words. I do not assign homework in my class, but you will be doing some independent work throughout the day, but nothing should go past the 3:40 time. Priority standards were something that was developed by the district and people that are experts in these types of things. So they developed them in all the subject areas to kind of give you an idea of some of these things that will be coming back in years to come. So some things you might be learning in 4th grade that we really want to hit hard in 3rd grade. That doesn't mean we're not learning all the standards, because our goal is to learn all the standards. But these are some of the standards that we're really going to be focused on and make sure that your student knows. My classroom management style is conscious discipline. So that just means working on social and emotional needs of the children, and that should help with some of the behaviors that may occur. Relationships are very important to me. I believe that relationships reduce classroom behaviors. And I am very happy to work with any parent that has any concern about this. Lastly, I can't wait to meet you. I am so excited, and I will see you September 8th. Have a great day, and I hope you're as excited as I am.